Alright, today we're going to do a little unboxing video for PROFORM's 66906 stamped roller rockers. Here, check them out. All steel, small block, 1.5 ratio, 3/8 stud. Comes in a nice package. Crack it open. You see there's a bunch of good stuff here, features and benefits. But really the part I wanted to show you is just the overall quality of the rockers. It's notable. I mean, it's like really tight tolerances. The way this rocker's in there, or this roller tip, is really nice. It's got a nice finish, nice hole, smooth on the inside. Look at that, really great. And then you get some quality hardware to go with it. I mean, this is a pretty sweet rig, and even this has 1.5 right on the side. So you get 16 of these in the package, 16 of everything. Kind of ready to roll. This is like a super affordable way to get a little less friction there on your valve train. Again, PROFORM 66906C, long slot, stamped steel, roller tip, pretty sweet. Check them out.